So now, basic tips. There are 7 C's of communication. These are the 7 C's you need to focus on for communication, for proper communication. So what are the 7 C's? Clarity, completeness, conciseness, concreteness, courtesy, correctness, consideration. So while speaking, you need to focus on these 7 C's: clarity, completeness, conciseness, concreteness, courtesy, correctness, and consideration. By clarity, I mean whenever you speak, speak clearly. Use simple words and be clear what you want to speak, what you want to convey, the message you want to convey. Be clear with your message and speak with clarity. Okay, use simple words. You don't need to use very superficial words or very technical words to sound good. You can sound good with simple words also, because the ultimate aim is your recipient needs to understand your message. What's the use of speaking if your audience is not able to understand? Okay, suppose I want to say that, see how good a speaker I am, and I start using very technical words like Shashi Tharoor. If I start speaking like Shashi Tharoor, I think all of you must be knowing Shashi Tharoor. Okay, his English is very famous. More than him, his English is very famous. So if I start speaking like Shashi Tharoor, I would just try to say, see how good I am in speaking English. But it won't be of any use, because you won't be able to understand anything. So you should have clarity. You should speak with clarity. Use simple words. Your message should be clear. It should be complete. And conciseness means, yeah, Shakespearean language. Correct, Ayush. And by concise, it means should be short. Do not make your message too lengthy. Okay, keep it to the point. Keep it objective. Your message should not be, whenever you're speaking on something, do not overstretch it. Okay, you should keep it short and to the point. And concreteness. Whatever you speak, speak with facts. Whatever you speak with facts. That says concreteness, so that it is believable. Okay, audience will believe your whatever you're saying. See, what right now, the presentations that I'm giving, I'm explaining you all the points with facts and figures with examples. So whenever you speak with proper facts. Yes, we should speak according to the audience so that they will be able to understand. Yes, Manish, correct. You should change your content. You should change your language as per the audience. Okay, if you're addressing students, then your language needs to be simple. If you're addressing professionals, then you need to use technical language, technical words. What's the use? What's the point? If my audience is not able to understand, then what's the use of speaking? What's the point of speaking? Okay. The next point is courtesy. What do you mean by courtesy? This is very important. By courtesy, I mean politeness. See, politeness costs nothing, but it is very important. Try to use polite words. Please, may I? Okay, manners. Yes, Aishwarya, manners. Manners are very important. Okay, this creates a good image about yourself. So always be polite. Whoever you're talking to. If you're talking to your senior, be polite. If you're talking to your junior, be polite. Please, I apologize. These are not negative words. Okay. Suppose you conveyed a wrong message to your junior. Suppose you're chatting on text. By text, you're chatting and you conveyed a wrong message. Then you can say, okay, sorry, I apologize. Okay. You can correct yourself. So there's no shame in saying, I'm sorry, oh, I apologize, my apologies. There's no shame in that. People connect this with ego. They think that why I should apologize to my junior. But these are not negative words. This is called courtesy. You can use the word please, even with your juniors. That makes you more gentle. And that creates a good impression on the other person. So always be courteous. Try to be as much courteous as possible. And correctness. Whatever you speak, try to be grammatically correct. Because if you're grammatically correct, the quality of your sentence improves and it sounds good. And consideration. Consideration is very important. Consideration is try to take feedback. Whatever you're saying, try to take feedback. Are you good enough or not? Don't believe that you are good without taking others' opinion. Try to take others' opinion. How was your message? Did you convey your message properly, or how good a speaker you are? Whether you were able to deliver your message or not. I'll be doing that at the end of this webinar. I'll be giving you a Google form and I'll be taking your feedback. So this is very important. Take feedback. You should have consideration for others' opinions. Okay.